Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Numeric Nest, and in this video we are going to solve this question for m, and we have a m raised to the power 9 plus m raised to the power 6. This is equal to 80, and we find all the possible values of m. So let's start. Look at this first term. This is a m raised to the power 9. We write this exponent as a 3 multiplied 3, plus the second term is a m raised to the power 6. We write this as a 3 multiplied 2, which is equal to 6, and we copy the left hand side. Now in the next step we use this identity, which is a raised to the power product of n and m. We write this as a raised to the power n, then again power of n is a m. Or we write this as a raised to the power m, then again power of m is a n. We apply this identity on left hand side, then this is a m raised to the power 3, then again its power is a 3, plus we write the second term is a m raised to the power 3, again its power is a 2, which is equal to 80. Now in the next step we let that n cube is equal to x, then the above equation will become a x cube plus x square. This is equal to 80. Now in the next step we subtract 80 on both sides, then we get x cube plus x square minus 80. This is equal to 0. Now in the next step we split this 80 into two terms. So we write this 80 as a negative 64 and negative 16. Why we write this 80? Why we split this 80 into a 64 and 16? Because we write this 64 as a 4 cube, and we write this second term 16 as a 4 square. And look at this first two term. This is also in cube and square form. So that is why we want to write this two value in the square and cube form, and after that we apply the identity and solve this. So this is a x cube plus x square. This is a, we write this as a 4 cube, and we write this as a 4 square. This is equal to 16. Now we rearrange this. So x cube negative 4 cube. After that we write the square terms x square negative 4 square. This is equal to 0. Now in the next step we use the identity. The first identity which we use is a cube minus b cube. As we know, this is equal to a minus b multiply a square plus b square plus product of a and b. And second identity which we use for the second term is a square minus b square. This is equal to a minus b multiply a plus b. So we write this equation as a x minus 4 multiply x square plus 16 plus 4 times x, and the second term is a x minus 4 multiply x plus 4. This is equal to 0. Now x plus 4, x minus 4 involved in this two term, so we factor out, and the remaining is a x square plus 16 plus 4 times x plus x plus 4. This is equal to 0. Now we solve this part. We write this as a x minus 4 multiply, this is a x square, 4 plus 4 times x plus x is a plus 5 times x plus 16 plus 4 is a plus 20. This is equal to 0. Now here we use the 0 identity. So according to 0 identity, x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x square plus 5 times x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now add a 4 on both sides, then x is equal to 0. This is the, look at this, this is a quadratic equation, and we use the formula for which a is coefficient of x square, which is a 1, and the b is a coefficient of x, which is a 5, and c is a constant, which is a 20. The formula is x is equals to negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. This is a x is equal to b is a 5, so here we write minus 5 plus minus b square is a 5 square, which is a 25, minus 4a is a 1 and c is a 20 over 2a is a 1. Now we simplify this, so x is equal to minus 5 plus minus 25, multiply these values, then we get 80 and 2 ones are 2. So again simplify this to get minus 5 plus minus, subtract these two values, then we get negative 55 over 2. Negative 5 plus minus 55 iota over 2. Get the three answer of x. First one is this, and second answer is a negative 5 negative square root 55 iota over 2, and the third answer is a negative 5 plus square root 55 iota over 2. These are these two answers is a complex number, so this is rejected. We just take this answer, x is a 4, and in the start we let that m cube is equal to x, so m cube is equal to 4. To remove this cube, we take a cube root on both sides of this equation. This will cancel, so m is a cube root of 4. This is the answer of m in our question.